morning, boys and girls. I just wanted to real quick go over how to do the count them up for our spelling words. The directions are right here up at the top. It says type your spelling words and count how many consonants and vowels each word has. There was certain words that I wanted you to focus on for this, so I typed your spelling words on this side. Please do not erase those words or change those words. The only thing that you are going to do is you're going to click and erase type here under number of consonants, and then do the same thing for under number of vowels. Remember that we have 5 vowels in our alphabet. There's one that is sometimes a vowel. For this, we're going to say that it is not a vowel. So we have 5 vowels, and they are A, E, I, O, U. So when you look at your word, your spelling word, so this first word is clear, we're going to count how many consonants the letter or the word has. Any letter that is not one of those 5 vowels is a consonant. So I'm going to look. C is a consonant. L is a consonant. E, that's one of those vowels that I just said, so I'm not going to count that one. A is a vowel, so I'm not counting that one. R is a consonant. So the word clear has 3 consonants. So I typed the word 3 right in that box. And then for number of vowels, remember vowels A, E, I, O, U. How many vowels are in the word clear? There's those 2, right? The E and the A. So we put 2 there. And then you would keep going down the rest of the line. Don't forget to turn it in when you are done, though. And great job, guys.